Today's escapade, RIU Palace Aquarelle. Let's go! Welcome to RIU Palace Aquarelle Jamaica. This video is long overdue, but it's finally here. Today we're exploring and I can't wait to show you a little of what this stunning resort has to offer. This is the lobby where you'll check in and receive a welcome drink with the liquor of your choice, the perfect way to start your vacation. Here's a sneak peek of our room. We're staying in a junior suite, ocean view on the 10th floor. If you haven't seen the full room tour yet, I'll link it above so you can check it out here on my channel. Let's take a tour of this stunning beachfront resort. The resort features over 700 rooms, including triple rooms and family suites, perfect for families and groups. If you're looking for that extra touch of luxury, the first floor swim-up suites offer breathtaking Caribbean sea views.
I know they ain't here. I mean, never back then you ain't care. But I look like begging and wishing I step up my business, I gotta stay play. See, we tryna live out these dreams, you scared to take risks, but we taking it there. Elevating, you taking the stairs. Only compare me to face in the mirror. You ain't know well, I'm making it clear. The way that you move, don't sit right with my spirit. Been running your mouth for so long, you thought I ain't know, but I promise I hear it. Used to trip on what they thought about.
There are multiple pools, including a swim-up bar, and every angle here is, of course, Instagram worthy.
Do it for show, so they make me embarrassed. I don't stop, I just go, making moves on the low.
Don't forget to stop by the RIU Aquarelle sign for a photo op to capture those memories.
All the time it's JG with my kicks on. Eating ramen right next to old Bachon. In the States, I would hit it with hot sauce. Then he caught me a whip with the top off. I'm the realest.
For families, there's a Splash Water World water park packed with slides and attractions for fun, both for kids and kids at heart. The resort also features 4 outdoor pools and a children's pool for endless water fun.
But I look like begging and wishing I step up my business, I gotta stay play. If we tryna live out these dreams, you scared to take risks, but we taking it there.
If relaxation is on your itinerary, the Renova Spa offers a range of wellness and beauty services to help you unwind.
Take risks, but we taking it there. Elevating, you taking the stairs. Only compare me to face in the mirror. Yeah.
Guests have direct access to White Bay Beach, perfect for paddleboarding, kayaking, snorkeling, and catamaran sailing. If you prefer land activities, you can enjoy beach volleyball and daily fitness classes. When the sun sets, the entertainment continues with live performances and nightly shows to keep the energy going. RIU Palace Aquarelle offers a diverse culinary experience with 6 restaurants: White Bay, which is the main buffet; Crystal, which offers gourmet dining; Napoli, which is Italian cuisine; Kyoto, which is Asian cuisine; Steakhouse, which offered classic grilled favorites; Pepe's Food for jerk-style grill and for authentic island flavors. For drinks, choose from 5 bars including a lobby bar, pool bar, swim-up bar, lounge bar, and a 24-hour sports bar, serving all American favorites. There is also a patisserie and ice cream parlor and a cappuccino bar where you can grab coffee and pastries anytime. The staff we encountered were friendly, helpful, and full of energy, not to mention full of synergy. If you're celebrating a special occasion, be sure to notify the resort beforehand, and they'll make your experience even more memorable. Just got a knock on my hotel door, and you guys, okay, this is so thoughtful. Thank you. Guys, it's not that I'm not used to things, but I'm just so grateful for every little thing, and I'm grateful and so happy when, people just take the time out to acknowledge the simple pleasures. Thank you so much, RIU. Points. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, stay adventurous.